Like, if you ain't been stuck in the mud and it through them rainy days, through them storms, you feel me? You will never appreciate the sun because you don't know how it feel to be through them rainy days and be stuck in the mud. Y'all, welcome back, man. Look, I want to say, what is your true definition of life? What is your definition of life? I want you to drop down in the comment section and tell me what's your definition of life, because I'm finna tell you my definition. Now, I feel like life is special. I feel like life is a lesson. You feel me? I feel like in life you gotta be grateful. You gotta have gratitude. You feel me? But at the same time, you gotta be committed and dedicated to what you do in life. You feel me? Like, you gotta have some type of work ethic in something you do. Whether it's a job, whether it's a business, whether it's working hard on yourself, on your body, you feel me? Going to the gym, working out. You gotta have some type of work ethic in life, you feel me? You don't wanna just be stagnant and just be all over the place and just be going in life and you don't know what you're doing yourself, you know? You gotta find you some motivation, some inspiration, you feel me? It's a lot of things to be grateful for. Like, I'm just grateful for being able to sit outside and just enjoy the weather, you know? And turn the camera on and be able to talk to y'all, you feel me? So I feel like life is gratitude, it's work ethic, you feel me? I feel like it's other things that play in life, but that depends on how great you want to be, what you want to be in life, you feel me? Do you want to impact people? And sometimes you can't impact people just on a regular day basis. Like, if you getting up and you going to work, you feel me? You can make somebody's life way better just by off of your attitude, you feel me? You can have somebody else smiling just off of the person you are, you feel me? Your aura. And people don't realize that, but I feel like you do need to equip certain things in life so you can be prepared for life, you feel me? Like, I always like to say, be committed to what you do, be disciplined to what you do, you feel me? Stay consistent, you feel me? If you consistent and hard working, then everything else gonna come, you know? And for my people out there, if you wanna chase your dreams and your goals, man, chase your dreams and your goals, man. Don't wait, you feel me? Now is the opportunity, and it ain't never no right time and when to chase your dreams and goals, you feel me? Like, you don't need certain things. You can start right now, you feel me? Like, start now and today, you feel me? If you watching this, start now. Do not wait till tomorrow. Do not wait till next week. As soon as you done watching this video, man, start now. Chase your heart, chase your dreams and your goals, you feel me? It's gonna come with certain things. If you want it bad, you gonna work bad, you feel me? You gonna discipline it, you gonna commit it, you gonna be consistent, you feel me? Doing it every day, being persistent, you feel me? Even when the problems come, you still gonna get it done. You still gonna do what you gotta do out of life, you know? But I feel like in life, it's ups and downs, you feel me? What's a good day if you haven't had a bad day, you feel me? If you ain't had no bad days, if you ain't been down in the mud, you feel me, you ain't gonna be able to see the sun, you know? Like, if you ain't been stuck in the mud and it through them rainy days, through them storms, you feel me, you will never appreciate the sun because you don't know how it feel to be through them rainy days and be stuck in the mud, you feel me? So, I feel like it's ups and downs of life, man. It's a whole bunch of lessons, you feel me? And you gotta be prepared for life too, man. As you grow, you learn. As you grow older, you feel me? We all make mistakes, you feel me? I made mistakes, you feel me? A lot of people make mistakes. It's all about growing from the mistakes. It's all about taking a lesson out from what you went through, you feel me? Taking a lesson from your loss, you know? Because a lot of times we all get losses, but as long as you get the lesson from it, it's a win, you feel me? Because you'll be able to use it later on down the line in your journey, you feel me? And it's a marathon, you feel me? Like, it's a long run, but you gotta keep going. You gotta stay dedicated, stay on your grind, do what you do, you feel me? Like, but I feel like life it's a blessing, you know? Like, to just be able to wake up and be able to see your loved ones able to go outside and just appreciate and have gratitude to what you can do, you feel me? Walk, breathe, see, You feel me? Like, to whatever you can do. You got a house, you got a crib, you feel me? Be grateful for everything, because being grateful and being understanding will get you so far, you feel me? It'll get you so far in life if you just grateful and understanding, you know? And when your problems occur or problems hit you in life, don't be so quick to be mad or feel like it's just happening to you, because everybody got their turn, you feel me? Everybody got their turn when they down. You feel me? Everybody got their turn when they up. So just be patient too. Be patient in life too. Everything's not gonna happen the way you want it to happen. Everything's not gonna go the way you want it to go. And when it don't go your way, you have to be patient. You feel me? You have to be patient, and you just gotta get through that moment. And your time gonna come. Your time gonna come. Trust me, it's gonna come. Everybody time gonna come. You feel me? But you gotta have that patience to be willing to wait for it. And you gotta, man, some you gotta want out of life. You gotta work hard for what you want. Get up every day, no excuses, no matter what you got going on, you feel me? Whether it's car problems, kids, crib, whatever it is, you still can do what you want to do in life, you feel me? Don't never let nothing hold you back from who you really want to be, from what's in your heart, from what's in your mind, you feel me? As long as you able to think and put in the work, you feel me? Put in the work for what you think, you will be good, you feel me? But it's a whole bunch of work. It's a lot of work, you feel me? If you want to be successful, you have to work hard. You feel? Ain't no shortcuts, ain't no way around it. People want the short ways, people want it to come quick. It's not gonna come quick. You gotta work hard. You gotta get up every day and get to it. And don't be looking for claps. Don't be looking for a whole bunch of people to be surrounding you. You feel me? Maybe later on down the line, but when you started, you feel me? You gotta have self-love. You gotta have self-support. You gotta be there for yourself. You feel me? Them conversations with yourself. You feel me? You gotta be giving you affirmations. You know, telling you are who you are, great. You feel me? You are going to be successful. You know, everything good is going to come in your life. Positive energy is going to come in your life. You gonna get that dream job that you want. You gonna get that dream business that you want. You feel me? You gotta speak over yourself. You feel me? And you gotta speak it into existence. But you gotta work it too. You feel me? You can't just speak it without working it. You feel me? It's not gonna come if you just trying to speak it and then you think you're gonna put in a little bit of work ethic. Nah, you gotta speak it and work. You feel me? But work it more than you speak it. You feel me? You ain't gotta talk too much. You ain't gotta keep saying nothing. Just do it. You feel me? Just get the job done. But yeah, though, y'all, I wanted to know y'all personal definition on life, man. I feel like life is to be grateful, to put in work, to be dedicated to what you do, dedicated to your craft, man, and just appreciate everything you got, man. Appreciate everything. Have so much gratitude, man. If you able to have gratitude, work ethic, consistency, you feel me? Be understanding of life and problems and how life goes, I feel like everybody will be successful if everybody just understood that, you feel me? And be perseverance, because all of us got problems, but it's how we handle our problems and how we prepare for our problems to get through life, you feel me? So don't never make no excuses, man. Go after what you want to go after, man, and that's my definition of life. Simple.